condom?
Condom. 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 What condoms? Condom. The condom. Condom. Do you have a condom?
Yeah, I have. You want? Want it?
Not this one, a female condom.
Female condom? ये क्या होता है?
पता ही नहीं आपको?
ना.
आपको भी नहीं पता होगा?
पता है?
मैं बताती हूँ. चलो.
चलो. पता.
So, what's a condom? You know about condom? Of course. Oh my God, you're so excited. You're so excited. So, do you know what's a condom?
Yep. Yes.
What do you know about?
It's wear by a man during sex.
During sex.
Protective.
Yes.
Protection. Condom is a protective measure.
Protection.
It's fun.
So, do you think it's a good thing or it's something embarrassing? Awesome.
Depends on the flavor.
Depends on the flavor. What's your favorite flavor then?
Chocolate.
Same.
Coffee.
Coffee. Chocolate.
Mainstream, yeah. It's okay.
Never tried. Okay. Anyway.
मैं अभी ये कुछ कर रहा था तो उसने मुझे बोला कि फीमेल कॉन्डम क्या होता है. तो फीमेल कॉन्डम क्या होता है? तो फीमेल कॉन्डम क्या होता है?
Female condom. Female condom. Female condom. Female condom. Female condom.
फीमेल कॉन्डम.
Female condom. Female condom. A female condom. So, do you know anything about a female condom?
Heard about it, never really used it.
Never used it. Never.
I have seen the male condom, actually.
वो सबने देखा है ना आज तक टीवी पे डॉटेड वन फ्लेवर वाला वन. आई लाइक बनाना वन. मैंने कुछ शक नहीं किया.
Yeah.
I just know that there is a female condom, but I haven't seen it.
देखो पता है मैं छोटा था तो मम्मी बोलती थी कि बेटा परियां होती हैं. देखो मैंने देखी तो है नहीं बट तुम्हें देख के लग रहा है कि मैं प्यार में गिरने वाला हूँ. It's too cheesy. कमेंट मत करना इस बात के लिए.
Yeah, I have heard, but never saw any ad or anything in television. Yeah, I've heard about it. Yeah.
You've heard about it, but you have never bought it. You've never seen it. Never seen it.
Seen videos. दिल्ली में मिलता नहीं है.
दिल्ली में मिलता नहीं है. I'm going to check it out right now. मुझे यहाँ पे केमिस्ट नहीं मिल रही है. Okay.
दिल्ली का हर सिटी के बीच में केमिस्ट की शॉप नहीं है.
No. Nothing. Never heard of it.
अगर मैं तुम्हें गिफ्ट करूँ तो will you use that?
Obviously.
कैसे यूज करते हैं? Do you have any idea?
No.
It's like a tube kind of structure used to fix in vaginal of the girl, just as we use male condoms.
Not tried it.
Not tried, but you've heard it, right? You've heard of it? No, you haven't. Okay, it exists anyway. So, would you ever like to go for it? Give it a try. A female condom.
Of course. What a fantasy.
Kind of a fantasy.
Yeah.
Oh, would you like to use it?
Maybe. For
Maybe. Do you think उसमें flavors आते होंगे? So, do you think उसमें flavors होते होंगे?
Female condoms. Male condoms होता तो female में होगा.
Heard it. हाँ, we don't know कि flavors होते हैं कि नहीं होते हैं.
I don't think so. I expect.
You expect?
You expect or you want their flavors to be? I expect. I mean that depends on your partner, obviously. उससे पूछो भाई flavor चाहिए. If he likes butterscotch, then I expect. Butterscotch?
You like butterscotch?
He likes butterscotch. Then I expect.
You can buy it yourself, right? Can you?
Yes.
Have you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, please tell me your experience.
Did you buy it?
Not yet. Not crazy thing. It's just people stare at you.
Like the guy gave really weird looks, but उसके बाद he was like, चल ना मेरा क्या चाहता है?
हमारा पहला टाइम था तो I asked him like let's go and buy condoms. He was like no I won't buy. I was like okay fine I'll go buy. No like you won't buy. I'll go and buy. Like ठीक है दोनों चलते हैं. He was standing there for fucking 10 minutes. I went भाई ये condom दे दो. Belly बाहर निकल गई. He was still standing there.
Yourself?
No.
No, you haven't.
It's like I've gone with someone and bought it.
You with whom? Seriously?
Yeah.
How are the reactions of people around you?
Normally जाके बोल देना भैया स्कोर का चॉकलेट दे दो. Like fine. Event like भैया स्कोर का चॉकलेट दो. उसने स्कोर नहीं सुना. Like चॉकलेट कौन सी थी? डेयरी मिल्क चाहिए. Like what is wrong with you?
Like they'll stare at you in a very dirty way. Like you know what are you doing? Like this.
ये क्या हो रहा है, ये लड़की क्या ले रही है? It's so normal यार।
तो मेरे पास जियो सिम है, तुम चाहो तुमने कभी भी कॉल कर सकती हो, अगर तुम कॉल कर सकती हो, अगर तुम तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड बुरा ना माने तो क्या है यहाँ पे?
Okay.
कट कर दो, मैं ना नंबर दे रहा हूँ। अगर तुम्हें इसका नंबर चाहिए तो भाई कमेंट करो, मैं नंबर पक्के से नहीं देने वाला हूँ। अगर तुम किसी को गिफ्ट करो मतलब ये फीमेल कॉन्डम और मेल कॉन्डम, योर फ्रेंड और फीमेल फ्रेंड जो भी हो, तो क्या ऐसा कुछ करोगे इसके साथ जो उसके साथ डिजास्टर हो जाए इस बंदे या बंदी के साथ?
I'll destroy the condom.
कैसे?
I actually gifted it to my friend on his 18th birthday.
ऑफिशियली एडल्ट हो जाते हैं जब।
Yeah.
पता है मेरे साथ एक सीन हुआ था, मेरे कज़न की शादी थी, तो मैंने कॉन्डम गिफ्ट किया पैक, और सब में होल थे। तो उसका तो रिजल्ट क्या हुआ, वो उसके 9 महीने बाद था 2 बच्चे हुए।
तो ये कॉन्डम का रिजल्ट कैसे हुआ?
सॉरी मैं रिवील कर रहा हूँ इस बात को। चूतिया। बात बताओ, दिल्ली के लोग इतना बहनचोद क्यों बोलते हैं? What do you mean by that? Subscribe नहीं किया ना?